They say to you that you are a weaker gender. They say you are made for the kitchen. They say you are made to make rice, cook stew, and fry the chicken. They say you are just an afterthought, a decision to be cast around. They say you are a weaker vessel and that you deserve no place in the boardroom. But ladies, they say you should keep quiet and that you are not made to speak out in public, even in this world where silence waves. If only they knew. If only they knew that you carry a flame within. A flame that is willing to consume the world if only they permit. But this time we don't need them to permit because we are in it and we have to take it. Because we are not just girl childs, we are leaders, we are rulers. We are not just an afterthought, we are people who are made in the image of God, made to rule, reign, and shine. We are here to achieve. And believe me, every Nigerian girl child is a story to believe. Because you are the laughter of the marketplace. You are the wisdom the elders teaches. You are the sculptor of the nation. And believe me, the world is within your reach. So every girl child is like Ngozi. Ngozi, who is the economist, but have numbers in her command. Every girl child is a woman like Chimamanda, who is a writer, who commands people and thoughts through her writing. Every girl child is like Bosola the Tech Wings, who through her skills is able to craft her path. So dear girl child, you are a key that can open any door. You are the key that can open any door. It is just left for you to strive and take that big stride because no man can stop you. You are the rhythm of a dance. You are the melody of a song. You are the future we look at. You are the future we wait for. So when next you look at the mirror, do not just see Shade. Do not just see Amara. Do not just see Nkechi. Do not just see Ruth. See that woman who is a global leader. A woman who is made to command nations. A woman who is made to stand before kings. You are not just anybody made for the kitchen and the other room. You are made for the boardroom. To be a global leader. To be president, governor, and leader. So anybody in this room who can listen, if you have a girl child close to you, choose to nurture her. Because when you do nurture her, you are saving the future. So dear girl child, no matter what they say you are made of, they might look at you and say you are made of steel, you are made of clay, but the reality is you are made for more.